ביאור משנה ד'. Explanation of משנה ד'. אין פוחתין, you do not פוחתין, take away, ויש גורסין. אין פותחין. That's right. It's two way to learn it. אין פותחין, I'll learn the Mishnah in a different way. You see, that's why I said it wrong. ויש גורסים, אין פוחתין. There's another opinion of what this Mishnah says, is you do not take away. Yeah. But it's the same thing. You do not open. How do you open? By taking away. Yeah. את הנר של חרס, the candle of clay. What does it mean? שכן נוהגים היו יוצרי חרש, because that was the way those people who used to make vessels, לגבל טיט בצורת ביצה. They used to take clay in the shape of an egg, ולדחוף את האגרוף בתוכו, לחקוק בו גומה. And to press your hand into it, to make it into a vessel. Yeah, now it becomes, it was just clay, and now you put your thing, and it becomes a vessel. Why? Why do you need the vessel? כדי לשים בתוכה שמן או פתילה. Now you can put inside this cup, you can put oil, and you can put wick. וזה היה מעשה הנר, and this was how you would make a candle. ובא המשנה ללמד שאסור לחקוק נרך בדרך זה ביום טוב. Now you want to have a candle, to light some oil, you know, to have some, to eat Shabbos, you don't have another candle, so you want to make one. Oh. Yeah? So you said, in the old time, yes, a piece of clay, give me a piece of clay, you go like this, and immediately, go ahead, do it. It's not such a big problem, you make it immediately. Why? מפני שהוא עושה כלי, because he's making a vessel, and vessel is not allowed to be making, שבחקיקה זו הוא עושה כלי ביום טוב. That in this חקיקה he is making a vessel ביום טוב. Yeah, that's all אוכל נפש, it's all. Yeah, but they're not allowed to. ואין עושים פחמים ביום טוב. And now one more thing you're not allowed to do. You're not allowed to make coals on Yom Tov. I think the way you make coals is you burn the stove, right? And now you just finish cooking. And you've got good wood over there. So you say, I put some sand over it. It will become coals. Then I don't waste it. Why waste it now for another 3 hours, right? So you say, maybe that I'm allowed to do. He says, no, you're not allowed to make coals in Yom Tov. כגון שמניחים גחלים בצד, like for example, that you put coals outside, כדי שירבו ויעשו פחמים, that they're going to become coals, ומשתמשים בהם צורפי זהב, and then later on, you can sell it on the market, you know, whatever, you can use it yourself. הילקח חשובים הם ככלים. In other words, you're making a vessel, you're making something, you're producing something, you're not allowed to. ואין חותכים את הפתילה לשניים ביום טוב. Also, what you're allowed to do, you have a big wick like this, yeah. You don't need this big wick, yeah. So you want a piece. So you start making wicks. You know what it says? What do you mean? I don't care what's the value. You're making vessels. You're making wicks. You're not allowed to make wicks on Yom Tov, yeah. Put the whole wick inside. That's your problem, yeah. אין חותכים את הפתילה לשניים ביום טוב, שמתקן ועושה אותו כלי הראוי לשימוש, because you're making wicks. Wait, I didn't tell you can manufacture wicks on Yom Tov, yeah. Rabbi Yehuda אומר, Rabbi Yehuda is the way to do it if you have a long wick and you want to cut it into two. He says, I have a way for you to do it. So it says, how? חותכה באור לשני נרות. It says like this. You take two candles. When we take candles, we take oil lamp, you know, an oil over here, connect the two oils together with this wick, put one over here, and then light it in the middle. When you're going to light it in the middle, it will burn over here. Now you have two wicks, you know, but it's like you're not showing that you're cutting, you're showing that you're lighting. Yeah, so it says I can give you a way to do it if you really want to. בגמרא מבואר שנותן שני ראשי הפתילה בתוך שני נרות. The Gemara explains, he puts the two heads of the wick inside two candles. And again, these are candles for oil, הסמוכים זה לזה, next to each other. הוא מדליק את הפתילה באמצע, and then he lights it in the middle, והיא נחלקת לשתי פתילות בשני הנרות, והלכה כרבי יהודה. And the halacha is like Rabbi Yehuda. that you're allowed to do it because you're lighting one. What am I? I'm lighting. What am I doing?
Light one and then
Yeah.
two lights.
Exactly.
Candles.
In other words, I'm allowed to light two this together. If later on it becomes 2 weeks, so it becomes 2 weeks. Not my fault. Okay.